Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to create shortcut on Snapchat. It's very easy guys. Shortcut is just a selected group of people added in one place and saved at the top of your chat list. It's pinned right there so that you can easily access them. So guys, if you want to create a shortcut, it's very easy. All you have to do is open your Snapchat and click on inbox at the bottom of your screen. So once you click on that, you'll see the three dots at the top right corner. Tap on that and you see this new shortcut option. Tap on new shortcut, and then you have to select the people you want to add to this shortcut. So I'm going to select this guy, this guy, this guy, and this guy, and then I'll click on create shortcut. And the next thing is for us to use a single emoji to save the shortcut. So I'm going to click on OK and add one emoji. So I'm going to use this one, and then I'll click on create shortcut. Now it's been saved for us. So our shortcut is created and saved. So I'm just going to have to scroll up and you'll find this emoji appearing right there at the top. So whenever I want to send snap to these people I selected and saved in the shortcut, I'm just going to have to click on the emoji and then I'll find these people right there. So if I want to send a snap, I'm going to click on the camera option at the bottom right corner and then take a snap and send to these people easily. Right, so guys, this is how you can actually do it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe.